So very good morning to all of you. Last time I have asked one question regarding this data type. So as we are going with the flow, we have seen the IoT basics, then applications, then basic play with these applications, then playing with sensors. I hope you are enjoying the session. And if any comment is there, anything is there, then please feel free to contact me anytime. So last time I have asked one question. Anyone remember what is the question? Anyone remember what is the question? I will ask in the next class. So it means no one is taking care, is it? So what is the value of C? Guys, please reply. At least one or two can reply. Anyone who can reply this? Any idea, any guess? Hello, is anyone there? Or all left the class? Guys, what happened? Ritik? Ritik, Jayant?
131.
So guys, at least speak now. I'm asking is my voice is clear or not? What happened?
Yes, sir, it's clear now, sir.
So guys, at least can anybody else, one can speak now? Nobody is speaking.
Yes, sir, your voice is audible, sir.
What is your name?
Dhanush, sir.
Thank you very much for acknowledging.
Yes, sir.
So guys, just one clearing thing. Why not others are replying? 62 are team members are present. Why they are not replying?
Sir, it was not properly audible, sir.
What do you mean by properly audible? Is it breaking? My voice breaking?
Yes, sir.
Now it is okay.
Yes, sir, it's okay, sir.
So Dhanush, you are saying 131, na?
It's okay now, sir.
And Nagatna is saying
Yes.
120. So beta, how this first of all this is signed, not unsigned. Okay, and she is saying maximum value of unsigned
Yes.
character is 126. How 126 here? because I told you na unsigned means no sign. So range is 0 to 2 power 8 minus 1. So 0 to 255. And signed character, the range is 2 power 7 to 2 power 7 minus 1, or you can say divide by 256 divide by 2. It is 128 to 128, and due to 0, that is 128 to 127.
Yes.
So that's why C is equal to 126, plus 1 is 127, plus 1 is 128. Sorry, I mentioned wrongly.
8.
Not 128, because because plus 128 there is no number. So you can see the range is only
Yes.
this number. So how you will do? You will start from, suppose make a circle, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will reach 127. After that, it will start from minus 128. And it will go till minus 1, minus 2. So similarly, 127 plus 1 is equal to minus 128, plus 1 minus 127, and plus 1 minus 126, plus 1 minus 125. So we are doing 5 plus means minus 125. That is the final output of the program. Because be careful, this start revolving around this range. It cannot go outside. So you start 0 till maximum of positive number, then start minimum number, and then again back to similar way. So this is the formula. You can simply make a clock, so it will be clear how you are presenting this. Okay. So I think everything is clear, simple. This is 1 byte, true and false. This is character. Characters basically storing that byte. Basically 8 byte can store, 8 bit can store. 2 byte is clear, 2 byte is clear, 4 byte, 4 byte. Simple 4 byte means 2 power 32. So you can say 0 power, like 2 power minus 31 to 2 power 32. Minus 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. This is the range for signed one. Okay. Again, same case of floating numbers. Double basically a big range of floating numbers. String is a character array. I hope the whole thing are clear. Nothing new is there. Okay. And void basically no specified type. You can typecast it if you want. Okay, then next we have a control structures. whatever control structures are available with C programming that we have also. So control structure basically like to represent how can we control the flow of a program, a flow of an execution. So where it will move, in which statement will go. So all these things we can define with this control structures. So like in general in this first is coming if else, so basically decision control statement. Okay, then this is also part of this if else. They are basically decision control, and there is one more decision control is called switch case. I think there is no doubt with switch case and all this thing. You are clear in the starting, or you want to see an example for switch case.
No, sir. Okay.
Okay, let me give a small example. Like, let me see I can if you can reply or not. If suppose this is the input, then what is the output?
Apple.
Okay, so who is saying apple? Dhanush?
Soumit. Soumit.
Soumit. Soumit is saying apple. Anybody else?
Apple, sir.
Anything else? Plus one.
Apple, sir. Apple.
Okay, all are apple. Anyone except apple? Okay, if I change the input from A to B, then what is the output?
Banana.
B for banana. There is no banana.
Sir, nothing is given, sir.
Why nothing? If you go inside this case now,
Yes, sir.
and how nothing?
So if it's nothing, it again prints the default statements.
No, wrong.
So it print nothing, sir.
Nothing will print if you enter E. In case of E or any other character,
Like
it will,
blank, sir. No, no,
yeah, no
nothing.
output you can say. Nothing means
Yes.
blank. Okay. So guys, you are missing one thing. Even in case of A, it will print apple, banana, nothing. In case of B, it will print apple, banana, nothing. In case of C, it will print banana, nothing. In case of E, it will print nothing. In case of A, it will print apple, banana, nothing. Same in case of B. In C, it will print only banana and nothing. In case of D, it will print nothing. And other character, it will print nothing. This is the final output. Okay, because there is no break statement. There is no break statement. Without break, it will not understand that you have to stop it. It will continuously print all the statements. Okay, these answers are wrong basically. So whatever you are printing, it should be with break. If you are without printing break, so once it is going inside, it will print all the statements. So once it is going inside, it will print all the statements. Be careful. It is clear? Guys, any doubt with this one? Or anyone want to say like no sir, it's a wrong answer? Guys, anyone? Somebody is saying screen is not visible. Is it? I think Shri Gori.
Visibles.
Visible. Okay, dear. Thank you. So, dear, please
No,
write.
sir.
Who is saying? Just dear, check your internet connection, please. Maybe that could be an issue.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible, sir.
Okay, now it is visible. And guys, you can go through YouTube Live also because there will be no lag. Guys who are getting issue in time, Team platform, Microsoft Team platform, they can go to YouTube Live. They will find there is no lag. Okay. So can anyone tell me what is the difference in break and continue? Dear, your voice is very low. Can you speak louder?
Yes, sir. Break means after execution of particular case statement, it will come out of the loop, sir.
Okay.
Which
And
which
continue?
case? Continue means it will like continue the next case.
Very good. So what is your name?
So Harsha, sir.
Very good. So basically continue is go to next iteration. Just skip the current iteration. Is it? And break means terminate the loop. So Harsha, can you just tell me like where we can use break? Can we apply with the if statement?
No, sir. Like if we have like after executing if, sir, it will directly come out. No, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Your concepts are clear. So basically, this break is and continue is only using iterative loops. So which are iterative loops? Do while, for, and while. These are iterative statements. So in these cases, basically we are using this control structure break and continue. Okay, please clearly like this is required for your placement also. So like if you're going for some interviews, then they can ask simple questions. Go to basically to jump into the some other line or other code. Return basically return function. Get outside what value you want to take outside. Okay, I hope it is clear now. So next we are coming to introduction to sensors. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is sensor? Definition of sensor, we can say like normal layman language, what we are sensor, what we are saying sensor. Guys, don't be afraid, like it's a very common thing. If you didn't speak, then you are not able to speak up in front of other persons. So here we are not doing any marketing or anything, just for making interactive session. That's why we are saying please ask or please speak. So what do you think by sensor? I already conveyed in this in the previous lectures. Anyone? Sensor represent sensing something. A device,
So it's basically detecting or something.
yes. Sensing you can say, detecting or something like you can say. A device which can sense something. A device, yeah, detect an object. That is also a good one. So if you will not show me thought, you are always thoughtless. So you can say detecting an object. It is a kind of some specific sensor. Okay. If I am talking about general sensor, then you can say detecting something or sensing something. A device that called sensor. Okay, then that called basically sensor. Or you can say something could be any environment thing. Whatever thing exists in the environment that could be possible with the help of sensor. It could be smell, it could be object, it could be pressure, it could be heat, it could be humidity, it could be moisture, it could be flow, it could be movement, position, location, anything, any change or any update in the environment that you can detect with the help of sensors. I hope now it is clear. So I'm trying to go very basic to get you more understanding, because I can go directly fast, but there is no benefit for that. That's why I'm trying to go slow. Okay, so whatever you are paying for that, to show you should have to learn something, at least basic knowledge. Okay, so the sensor family will find there are so many sensors are available in the market. Whatever thing you are thinking that you want to sense that thing, so you will surely find a sensor for that. Sensor network and sensor family is a huge thing in the market. Okay, the first one is passive infrared sensor. Passive infrared sensor. So one in the market is coming IR sensor, infrared sensor. One is PIR sensor. So can you know what is that? What is the use of this device?
So it detects the objects through
Uh,
long distance.
Object. What do you mean by object?
Uh, sorry. It detects the movement of objects.
Yes,
I mean,
yes,
any
yes,
object.
yes. Perfect. It basically detect movement. Okay, very good. Who is the guy?
Shreyash.
Yes, very well, Ulta. So next is relay. Relay is basically kind of switching device. If you want, if you are using two devices and you want to choose one device, then you can use relay. Next is smoke detection, gas detection, alcohol sensor. So all kind of like gases or you can smell. So here we can use some kind of smoke and gas or alcohol sensor. So like the police person are using for you can say detecting a drinking while drive. So that you can they are using alcohol sensor, detecting the consumption of alcohol in the body. Yeah, next is ultrasound sensor. Anyone?
Yes, it is used to detect even the movements, even the same. Like, but it is different from PIR sensor.
So what it is actually giving the final value,
Yes, sir.
The sound.
not sound data. Yeah, they are using sound waves. That's very good. But what they are measuring?
Distance.
Yes, sir.
Distance.
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 Perfect. Who is telling first?
Chance.
Jan.
Chance.
Okay, distance. Okay, so it will basically give you a distance of an object. So this sensor have multiple like you can say variant. If you have heard about like lidar, this is also part of that. So all these things are basically called ultrasonic sensor. Next is temperature. Very simple, like calculating the temperature of the body. Next is proximity. Proximity for anyone?
Nearby objects.
Yes, perfect. With like basically the closeness, how much close is the object. Perfect, yes. Next is accelerometer. Accelerometer for that's perfect application. The accelerometer application basically uses drones or some vehicles. But what the values they are giving? What actually they are providing us?
Sir, extra like it detects the gravity and like what to say? I'm not getting. Sense
Acceleration.
movement, sir. Even it senses the movements.
Acceleration.
Yes, sir.
So basically, the device is accelerated in which direction? In X direction, Y direction, or G direction. So that we are basically identify with the help of accelerometer. That we will basically identify. Is it moving in this direction, or in this direction? That we can identify with the help of accelerometer.
Yes.
Next is LDR. LDR for
So light detection.
light dependent resistor. Very good. For yeah, it will use for light detection, or you can say not light detection, light intensity detection.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Next is
Thank you.
pressure sensor. Basically pressure or weight you can say. Next is light sensor. It is basically for light detecting. Next is touch sensor for touch. Nothing new. Color, basically color. Which color like we are getting. Which color light we are getting. Humidity for humidity. These are by name are clear, I think. Tilt, if you are tilting something, tilting an object, then you can identify tilt. Or maybe you can say like we are using for that also orientation. Orientation where we are saying, but the sensor name is gyroscope. Flow and level sensor that we can use in our home pipes or something like that to measure the how much flow of the water or particular like liquid we are flowing in the particular pipe, and we can use flow sensor. And level, but the level of the volume. Okay. So we will try to see all the sensor by the real experiment: PIR, relay, ultrasonic temperature, LDR, humidity. So I think we can start with first experiment. It's called LDR sensor. So the full form is L for light, D for dependent, R for resistor. So first of all, I want to know what is resistor. Anyone?
Resist the flow of current.
Yes, perfect. Who is saying?
Soumit, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. So basically, it's a provide a resistance. In normal language, you can say in Hindi, avrodh. Are you watching the series on maybe on some platform? Because I think you are not watching Hindi series. So basically, it's a resistance, resist to something. So it resists to like flow of current. Okay. So this is a that is a normal resistor who will control the flow of current based on their resistance, based on ohm, how much ohm you are putting in the resistor. Here this also a resistor, light dependent resistor, but work according to the light intensity. So light intensity will generate the resistance in the flow of current. Again I am repeating, light intensity will be a resistance to the flow of current. Is it okay? Suppose this is the our LDR and this is the resistance or resistor. Okay. So if they are getting maximum light, then the resistance will be reduced and the power flow is maximum. And if they are like if the power intensity is low, light intensity is low, then they are flowing simple less current. So you can clear this example. If light is high, then resistance is low and power will flow maximum, and power, or you can say current, will flow maximum. Okay. If light is low, you can say illumination is low, then resistance will increase. And with resistance will increase, power or current will be down. Power and current will be down. So this is the basic concept how we are working. So the thin strip of photoresistive material are using for applying for using this LDR sensor. So this is the actual picture of the sensor LDR, what we are seeing here, and this is the basically LDR symbol, how we are showing it. If it is getting sun ray, it will allow to pass the power. Okay, so you can say high voltage to pass to it whenever the high light intensity, and low voltage to pass it whenever low light intensity. I hope there is no issue with this one. So in case of high, it will pass high voltage. In case of low light, it will passing low voltage. One more thing, this gives an analog voltage in the output because we are passing 5 volt current, or maybe whatever current we are passing. So we get the output in the form of current in analog value because we are using analog pin. But there is an inbuilt in Arduino, which is ADC converter is there, that called analog to digital converter. Okay, so with this ADC output is converted into digital value. So you can say 5 volt value is converted into 0 to 1023. I hope you understand this one. Suppose you want to say the power value is 2 volt. So the value it will display around 510, because this will convert all the values inside the analog value to digital value. Suppose you are getting 760, so you can say it's around 3 volt, equivalent to 3 volt. So this will by default convert and give you the same value. It is clear? Now we can jump to the connection, how we can making it. So we need some component. Component names are, one is LDR resistor, one is normal resistor to stop the flow of current, one 3 jumper wires, one breadboard, one Arduino. Okay guys, start your TinkerCAD the same time. Okay, so you can say this is the LDR connection is there. This is the one end, this is the second end. Second end is connected to the resistor to this one. So we are passing 5 volt this side positive, and this side 5 volt negative means ground. Okay, the current will flow from this side to LDR resistor and resistor to normal resistor and then ground. And in between time we are sensing the flow of current. We are passing 5 volt, but how much current is passing through this link, that we can capture with some analog pin. That we can capture with some analog pin. With this point, or you can say in between any point, to capture the flow of current. Get ready with these components. I will show you in the hardware also. You can first draw it inside the TinkerCad. Are you ready with TinkerCad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll jump to TinkerCad, then we'll build
Yes, sir.
the
Yes, sir.
circuit. I can create new circuit.